You ever hear a Prince song and think, damn, that sounds different? That slick mix of funk, rock, synth, and punk energy? That's the Minneapolis sound. And one of the unsung architects of it is Andre Cymone. Let's talk about him. Andre Cymone was Prince's first bassist, childhood friend, and early creative partner. Before the world knew Prince as Prince, Andre was right there, helping him build his sound from the ground up. We're talking late 70s Minneapolis, where black musicians were supposed to be fusing new wave synths with James Brown grooves, but Andre and Prince, they didn't care. In fact, Cymone's bassist and fashion-forward style helped shape the entire aesthetic. His solo stuff, her Minneapolis sound, but raw, political, and way ahead of its time. He wasn't just a sidekick.